The human has lost touch with the certainty of existence as it is. The human has lost the capacity to see existence as it is, and therefore the human is terrified of existence as it is. This is why it is so valuable and so powerful to get right back to nature. How powerfully and how inevitably nature reveals again what is true. I guarantee if you sit out in nature, not just for half an hour, but for a day, 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, 10 days, and you really sit with nature, free of the distractions, the interruptions, you will begin to see truly the nature of your self-existence. You will see that it is not a fight, a battle. It is not something to run from. It is not something to have prejudice about, to attach to one moment, to reject another. Because why? Everything seen, met and experienced is rising and falling, coming and going. And there you still are. There still is existence. Here. Part of the experience was the gift of connecting with the Indigenous people as well. And why this is so significant, even if one can't relate to the Indigenous heritage or bloodline, even if I did not have that heritage or bloodline, I can clearly convey why it is so relevant to every single person. You see, the Indigenous people have experienced only in the last 100-odd years the disconnect from nature. It is so fresh, it is so raw, it is so young to be misplaced, to be uprooted from earth, from one's own very womb. The wounds are still present. The understanding, the comprehension of this distinction, this contrast between being absolutely at one with nature, knowing the fabric of existence, and having oneself rooted in the certainty of existence and the laws and the forces of creation. That is assurance of well-being. To be uprooted from that is devastating. It produces profound ignorance. And so it is that in actual fact, every single person, and especially I'm going to refer to white people or European people or Caucasian people, especially so, do not even realize that the primary conflict and grief that is being experienced is actually because your misplacement and dislocation is so far back, it is buried so deeply in the past that you don't even realize you have that grief within you. You have that disconnect within you. You have lost that knowing, that certainty.
But nature, it is still here. You are here. And nature is waiting for you to come back home. You being here, reconnected now.